Hello everyone, my name is Josh and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the basics and essential steps on how to power on and power off a computer. Whether you're new to using Windows 10 or you just want to do it in the right way, this guide is right for you. And without wasting our time, let's dive into this one. To turn on your computer, locate the power button. It's also called the pause button. Pause means power on self-test. It's usually on the side or top of the laptop and on the front of the desktop PC case. Simply press the button once and you should see the computer start booting up. You'll notice the Windows logo and after a few seconds, you'll be taken to the login screen. If you have a password or PIN set up, just enter it and you'll be taken to your desktop ready to go. If your computer doesn't power on, make sure it's plugged in properly or that the battery is charged. Well, now let's talk about how to properly shut down your computer. The first and the commonly used method is using the Start menu. Click on the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of your computer. Then click on Power and select Shutdown. Your computer will safely turn off in just a few seconds. Another way to shut down is by using the keyboard shortcuts. Press Alt plus A4 when you're on your desktop and you'll see the shutdown menu pop up. From there, select Shutdown and click OK. If for some reason your computer isn't responding or it has crashed, you can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and select Shutdown from the options. It's important to know the difference between shutdown, restart, and sleep. Shutdown completely powers off your computer. Restart restarts the system without turning it off. And sleep puts the computer into a low power state but keep everything running in the background. Sometimes things don't go smoothly. If your computer isn't shutting down, it may be stuck on updating or there's a program that could have not been closed properly. In this case, you can force the shutdown by holding the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds. This isn't a recommended method or a regular method to use, but it can help in some case of emergencies. Make sure to check if your Windows is up to date and that no program are preventing it from shutting down. Regular updates can prevent shutdown issues. That's it. Now you know how to power on and shut down your computer safely and effectively. Now it's time to give the video the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to put your comment or any question and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to follow me on other social medias at Josh Tech Company. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.